Hi, this is Mahdi from InstaWebWorks. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use our extension Google Address Toolkit for Zoho CRM in Wizards. So after you install our extension, the settings and the buttons are already set up for leads, contacts, and accounts, but the wizards are not set up. You need to add them manually, and for the other modules as well. But you need to add the settings beforehand because it's crucial for the wizard. So let's go to the setup page and then find wizard. So this is a wizard that I created earlier on for testing. Let me just create another one. Core contacts, find contacts, next, double click. Okay, so this is initial information. We got a first name, last name. We have email, phone number, and maybe the recruiter handle as well. Click on button, give it a custom button. Sorry, let's just stay here. Button, give it a name, link to screen 2. Just gonna say address. And click on components. Here is where you will add the widget. And click on Address Toolkit by EasyPluginz. Install. Do we need this one? Don't. But anyway, let's just save it and click on Save Wizard and save. You have an error. Let's click on Fix Error. So you need a button to save. Click on Save and Save Wizard. Now, if we go to the Contacts module, click on Create Contact, then we can see the wizard that we created. Screen 1, sorry, it's Meron. So, Meron. At the later, consider. And so okay. Next, the screen 2 is the wizard, and this is from the settings that you have over here in the marketplace. So once you install the extension, the settings are created for contest leads and accounts, but these two I created myself. You can click on edit over here. You can see the view mapping. Okay, you need to create settings and do the view mapping so that you can use it over here in the wizard for the other modules. So keep that in mind. I'm just gonna say Utah, let's say, and Utah. Okay, save. You can see the longitude, latitude, and the addresses are populated automatically. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.